this? Ever found yourself buried under heaps of notes, pages after pages, yet everything seems chaotic? Imagine if there was a magical tool that could organize your thoughts, boost your memory, and even make studying a fun activity. Enter mind mapping. Nope, it's just not another fancy term. It's a technique where you sketch out your thoughts, branching from a central idea much like a tree. Your main concept sits at the center, and every branch, twig, or leaf is another connected idea. The beauty of it, it mirrors how our brain naturally thinks. Imagine no more boring linear notes. With mind maps, you engage both the logical and creative sides of your brain. Colors, doodles, connections, and more. But how do you master it? And why is it such a game changer for learners like you? Dive into our main video where we unravel the secrets of mind mapping step by step. From its benefits to mastering its techniques, we have got it all covered. And if you are craving for more tips and hacks, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell icon.